then, so started it up like you saw. She caught alright, moved a few bits around and whatever. She ran out of fuel, so I was like, oh great. So I've topped her up, bled her up, cranked it a few times, and it's just about to go, but the starter motor's just about had it, and the solenoid's not catching properly. So yeah, got that out. Gonna have to get a solenoid for it and sort all that out. It's been clicking for a while, but yeah. Again, pop that back over. Tighten it up. So Rob's told me that the starter motor's been delivered, that he ordered. So I'm going down the field now to fit that. That's not ideal timing, what with little and being born about 3 days ago. But got to do it. It won't take too long. So the idea today is just to have a quick half hour, put the starter motor back on the tractor, get that up and running, and then get the loader off of it, get the motor on the back, and then come tonight I can go down there and do a session tonight, cut all the grass whilst Little's in bed. So that's the plan. Alright, so we got the new Lucas starter from Agriline, and basically we're just going to sling this on. So all you're going to need to take this off is an 11/16 socket for the bell housing and bolts on the starter, and then a 1/2 inch for the terminals. So this is the old starter motor, and the reason it don't look very old is because I gave it a quick clean up and put new brushes in it to try and cure the problem, but I think the problem's actually in the winding, so we're going to throw this new one on. It's got a lot of rust preventer on it, as you can tell, courtesy of a leaky seal in a lift pump. Now in troubleshooting the old motor, I did clean up these contacts and everything already, but if you're just fitting the one on there like straight off the bat, I'd go over the contacts and the battery leads and whatever with wire brush, just to make sure everything's clean and the current can go through it. Sounds like we're starting to get a kick. Badly, just on the way to the food shop, and we'll be back at that a bit later, and we'll do a bit of a night time run on that one.